In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. On this and other iPhones, you don't have to download any recorder app. That's because Apple has a system one called Voice Memos, and today I will show you how to use it. No tricks, no clickbait, just simple steps. First step is to locate Utilities folder and click on it to access Voice Memos. Now start recording by clicking on red button. From here, you can either record in the background by closing your app. As you can see, recording is still going. And then go back to the same app whenever you want to. Or you can hold this line available above new recording title and holding it, drag it all the way to the top to see all of those options. Now let's start with those bottom ones. Pause or unpause your recording using middle button. To see a transcript or hide it, use this one at the bottom left corner. You can also pause your recording and click on those three sliders at the bottom right corner. Then manage playback speed, thanks to this slider, and also enable or disable studio voice thanks to this switcher. If you decided to enable it, you can also manage this slider. Now to save your changes, click on this checkmark at the top right corner. To discard them, hit reset at the top left one. Then tap on the checkmark. Now, by clicking on play button, you can listen to your recording right away. But to do it, you need to swipe it on the track. Pick a moment you want to listen from and press play. You can even skip 15 seconds each way. Now you can click on this little plus. It's a new feature of Voice Memos. After tapping on it, you'll be able to create second layer of your recording. Then switch between them by operating 1 or 2. Quick tip, most people don't know that you can actually edit your recording before finishing it. To do that, tap on those three dots at the top left corner and select one of those options, like trim. Then operate chosen option however you want to, and whatever you decided, always tap on save or apply at the top right corner. You can always name your recording instantly by clicking on new recording at the top and typing in whatever you want to. Now to finally end it and save it, click on the checkmark at the top right corner. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. Now to play it, click on it and use play button. You can also tap on those three dots on the right to access all of those options. Click on this icon of a frequency on the left to manage all of those options. For example, if you want to replace portion of your recording like I just did, and save any changes by clicking on the same checkmark. This time though, you need to decide if you wish to save this as one recording or as a new recording by tapping on one of those options. To delete any recording, you can use this pin. If you deleted one by mistake, don't worry, click at the top left corner. Select recently deleted. And then to restore your recording, you need to hit select at the top right corner, click on it and tap on recover at the bottom left one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete it even from your window, you need to select it again, and this time hit delete and tap on delete forever. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!